Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The path where Ifa was desolate. Note, in this Ifa, the Odù Òtrúpòn Méjì must have 3 Iba Edun. Story: Ifa was desolate and unhappy, and he went to see Òlófin to find a remedy for his difficulties. He received the Odù Òtrúpòn Méjì, where he was instructed to gather all the round fruits he could find and take them to his mother to make an offering to Òlófin. His mother lived in a distant place. Esu, in exchange for a rooster, a cuckoo, offered to act as the messenger. He arrived at the house of Ifa's mother and told her that her son had died and that no one was available to conduct the funeral. He told her to come urgently to Òlófin's house. She burst into tears and said she could no longer walk. Esu told her that he could carry her, but only if she gave him certain things. She had a bull that belonged to Balai, and in its 12 horns lay the secret of human life on earth. Esu insisted that without those horns, he would not carry her anywhere. She agreed and gave them to him. The bull was killed, and the blood that poured from its body was fire. Esu decided to consult Ifa, who told him to make an offering using all the internal organs of the bull. After performing the offering, he cooked the bull's head to eat its meat and placed it in a pot. But despite all the fire he used, the meat remained raw. Tired, he carried both Ifa's mother and the bull's head with him. At that time, Esu had no head. When he placed the bull's head upon his own, it became his head. And the mother of Ifa sang, Ori iya ni Ifa aiku balele Ifa. The head of the mother is the immortal protection of Ifa. When they arrived to meet Ifa, he also had no head. Our Òlófin told him to make a sacrifice using all the round fruits. His mother went to the 3 Òlófin houses to apologize. From inside the gourds, a multitude of black cats began to emerge. As she approached to see what was happening, she was transformed into Ifa's head. And Nana Buruku performed the magic so that she would remain his head. Note: from that moment on, Nana is called Raweni Meta Òlófin, the one who gives the head to people. In this Ifa, the Awo must have 3 Òlófin and carry a consecrated object containing 12 ox horns, covered with cowries and beads of all the risa.